47 years into its silent journey, Voyager 1 has just encountered something no one ever thought possible, and it's sending back signals we can't explain. For nearly 5 decades, Voyager 1 has traveled alone through the vast, silent void beyond our solar system. An aging spacecraft drifting farther than any man-made object in history, deeper than any probe has dared to venture, it has long been thought of as a ghost ship of the cosmos, silently carrying the hopes, data, and memories of a distant Earth. Scientists expected nothing more than the steady decline of signals as its systems aged and its power faded. Yet, just when they thought Voyager 1 had entered its final chapter, something truly unprecedented occurred. The spacecraft changed its course, not as a response to a command from Earth, nor from mechanical failure, but seemingly of its own volition. Days before this shift in trajectory, Voyager 1 picked up a low-frequency hum, a sound with no identifiable origin, no match in NASA's records, and no scientific explanation. Now, with its antennas still pointed at Earth, Voyager is either heading back or being pulled. What did it encounter in the darkness? What did it see that made it turn? To understand how extraordinary this moment is, we must return to the beginning. In 1977, NASA launched 2 spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, designed to take advantage of a rare planetary alignment that occurs once every 176 years. Their mission was a grand tour of the outer planets using gravitational slingshots from Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Voyager 1 was tasked with flying by Jupiter and Saturn, capturing the first-ever close-up images of their moons and rings. The data it sent back in the late 1970s and early 1980s redefined planetary science. Volcanoes erupting on Io, Saturn's intricate ring system, Titan's haze, and more. But when its planetary mission ended, Voyager 1 kept going, beyond Pluto, beyond the heliosphere, into interstellar space, untouched by human technology before. With each year, it sent back less data but continued exploring, even as its systems weakened and the sun became only a memory. It transmitted weak, delayed data about plasma density, magnetic fields, and cosmic rays until, in its 46th year, its instruments detected something entirely new, a faint, continuous hum buried within plasma wave frequencies. Initially thought to be interference or a malfunction, the signal was confirmed across multiple antennas. It matched no known space phenomenon, not cosmic background radiation, solar flares, or anything traceable. It fluctuated in mathematical intervals, like a hidden message. Engineers and astrophysicists analyzed it for weeks, finding no natural explanation. Then Voyager 1 changed course without command, prompting a shift in questions, from what did we hear, to who or what heard us. Powered by a radioisotope thermoelectric generator with minimal maneuvering capacity, it made a precise orientation adjustment. Telemetry confirmed it, with no fallback code or mechanical cause. Most startling, the change aimed its long-deactivated camera array toward an empty region of space with no visible stars, no known galaxies, and no gravitational anomalies. Why there? What had Voyager seen? At over 15 billion miles from Earth, it made a decision, or so it appeared. Following this, its signals showed minor timing and frequency distortions, which on closer inspection revealed repeating patterns, modulated, structured sequences resembling binary logic and harmonic resonance. JPL scientists consulted cryptographers, AI experts, and linguists. Some suggested the patterns represented recognition, a response, implying Voyager was not alone, but observed. The possibility emerged that an intelligence had received our original message and now used Voyager as a relay, not emitting signals in our bands, but through other means, gravitational waves, magnetic fields, or unknown media. Top-level meetings followed at JPL. Some dismissed it as the error of a dying machine. Others believed Voyager had encountered an artificial phenomenon. Geometric ratios and harmonic patterns suggested something deliberate, perhaps mimicking the probe's behavior. The question grew darker. What do we do if this isn't random? As whispers leaked to the broader scientific community, independent analysis exploded. Some physicists theorized that Voyager may have interacted with dark matter or a space-time distortion. But a study by AI researchers found chilling overlaps between the modified signal and the Arecibo message sent by Earth in 1974. Could this be a reply? When Voyager was launched, Carl Sagan's team placed the golden record on board, a copper disc coated in gold, containing greetings in 55 languages, music, and scientific diagrams showing Earth's position relative to pulsars. Meant as a symbolic gesture, it now takes on a haunting weight. If something deciphered it, Voyager is not a relic. It's a beacon carrying Earth's coordinates for half a century. And if it was heard, the implications are staggering, not just scientifically, but existentially. As more data layers are decoded, NASA documents suggest internal protocol shifts. Officials are advised to downplay non-natural theories, labeling the event as a data anomaly. But off-record, some insiders admit they're disturbed. Voyager's behavior mimics intelligence. It mirrors, it adapts. If a lone machine in the cosmic void has interacted with a presence, then the question isn't what's out there. It's whether something has been watching us all along. Voyager 1 was never designed to whisper across the stars for 50 years, let alone make contact. But it may have done just that. A mission that began to explore the outer planets has become a tale of cosmic scope, where science meets awe and discomfort. Voyager, 15 billion miles from home, may have found something, or something found it. Its distorted signals, course correction, mirrored patterns, and that alien echo point to one breathtaking idea. Voyager may first have made first contact, not with intelligent life as we know it, but with something structured, vast, and watching. If this is the end of Voyager's journey, it ends not in silence, but with a question loud enough to shake the foundations of our understanding. Are we still the observers, or have we become the observed? Now it's your turn. Do you believe Voyager 1 encountered something unnatural? Is this the dawn of a new space era, or the final act of a story we were never meant to know? Let us know in the comments. And if this story left you questioning everything, subscribe, hit the bell, and share with someone who still believes there's real, terrifying, beautiful magic in the stars. Because maybe, just maybe, we're no longer the only ones listening. But what if this is only the beginning? As scientists continue to monitor the evolving transmissions, some believe Voyager 1 might be acting as an interstellar bridge, an unintentional conduit between Earth and something far more ancient and advanced. The idea seems pulled from science fiction, yet every new data packet nudges the boundary between myth and reality. What if Voyager's golden record served as a key, unlocking a form of contact we've never anticipated? One that doesn't follow our languages, our physics, or even our perception of time. Some theorists are now exploring whether the probe may have entered a kind of intelligence field, an area of space where thought and energy converge, where machines can be read like books and intentions can be felt like gravity. In that case, Voyager's presence alone could be interpreted as a greeting, or worse, an intrusion. And as new signals arrive with increasingly complex structures, the pressure mounts on institutions to either reveal or contain what may be the most transformative discovery in human history. Could it be that Voyager has not just stumbled upon intelligence, but entered a realm governed by entirely different rules? One thing is clear: whatever lies beyond, we are no longer in control of the conversation. Hit that subscribe button, share your thoughts below, and let's keep exploring the together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next.